You are going to love the 2020 Cx-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda Cx-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.